Hey, what's up, guys? We are here for the house part 2 tour, and make sure to like and subscribe and get some snacks because this is gonna be a yapping video, very yappity.
This time we are doing the inside of our house.
So we'll feed some carrots to the cows like we were.
If you saw our last video, you saw our last video, it was a crazy one. It was really crazy. So Peyton, why don't we go inside and show them the inside of the house?
Let's do the carrots though.
They always have to have carrots. If you didn't see our last video, this is Freckles and this is Bullet. Okay, let's go inside.
Okay, and as you guys saw in the last video, we have chickens, of course.
And the dogs. And the dogs. Which
And the dog. Yes, that is right.
are you doing that noise? And if you haven't seen our unboxing Labubu videos, go over and check those out. They are in the link in the description in the bottom lower. Here is our pool. We have 2 turtles. Peyton, open the door. And don't slam it on me this time. Inside. No. Ooh, blues for my Lubu.
Did you guys take Gigi's shoe?
I think it's in the bathroom.
Bathroom? Which one?
Mm-hmm. Just thought I saw it. Here's our rollerblading area.
Right here, the door.
The office.
What do we got here?
Open the craft room. Open the craft room.
We got the craft
Room.
stuff right here.
Christmas presents.
Okay, and
Let's go outside in the front yard.
okay, when I show them from front. Oh,
It's locked.
it's locked, okay?
Now we yank it. There.
Here we are.
Okay, here's Bailey and Hazel. Hey, stay. We got front yard, tons of land. Peyton trying to open up the garage. How are you doing there, sir?
What?
How are you doing there?
Good.
I'll go inside. You hold the cam.
Wait.
Peyton, you're in cam holding. See, neighbors cleaning their car. Oh, if I was allowed to show that. But yeah. Peyton, hold the cam. So yeah, hold the cam. I'll open it by the inside. No, not that way. Not that way.
My bad. My bag shut. Let me go ahead and shut that thing real quick.